You're listening to the Gloves Off podcast, powered by IE Sports Radio, the show that brings you raw boxing debate, with your host, Marcus Los Great.
What's good, fight fans? It's your boy, Marcus Los Great, here to give you what you want. Here to give you what you need. Yeah, man. Yeah. Before we get started, I just want to give a huge shout out to Brat Pack Baby, Marvin, and Mo Better. Thank you guys for liking the videos, for subscribing to the videos, for sharing the videos. I am very thankful. Now let's get into this boxing. I just watched the David Benavidez, Caleb Plant press conference. David Benavidez exploded on Caleb Plant. He threatened to beat Caleb Plant's ass. His father called Caleb Plant pussy. Their whole team was on some disrespectful-ish. But one thing stood out to me. How calm Caleb Plant was. See, Benavidez is supposed to be the favorite. Benavidez is supposed to be the monster. Yet, it was Benavidez with the nervous energy. Yet, it was Benavidez who was going over the top. It was almost like Caleb Plant has been here before. See, he didn't need to try to out-disrespect Benavidez. See, he didn't need to try to out-tough Benavidez. You know what I'm saying? To prove that he wasn't scared. What do you guys think? Do you agree? Do you disagree? Jump up in the comment section and give me that two-piece. This is your boy, Marcus Los Great. I'm out. I'm on to the next one.
Thank you for listening to the Gloves Off podcast, brought to you by IE Sports Radio.